Red wavy underlines on an MS document or MS Word can be removed, which may piss you sometimes. Want to learn how to remove red wavy underlines on MS document? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to remove red wavy underlines on an MS document or Word, you need to click on Type here to search option on the bottom, enter here MS Word, open up the MS Word, choose a written document or any of the blank document. I'm going to choose this blank document and write randomly or something. So you can see there is a red wavy underlines below the words. To remove it, click on File on the top right corner, click on Options, click on Proofing below Display. You can see below when correcting spelling and grammar in a word, here is a click spelling as you type option and mark grammar errors as you type. Click on it and click on it to remove the tick here. As you finish doing it, click on OK on the bottom right corner and you can see that the red wavy underlines has been removed successfully. So this is how you do it. This is how you remove red wavy underlines in an MS document. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.